Normally, when using WhatsApp, you can see profile photos next to contact names. If you'd like to set your own photo as your profile picture, you can do that easily. In this video, we'll show you how to set your profile photo in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application. At the top right, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots to open the menu. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Select it. In Settings, your profile name will appear at the top. Tap on your profile name. You'll now see a camera icon button. Press this button to continue. This will show you 3 options. The first is Camera. Select this if you want to take a new photo for your profile. After selecting Camera, your phone's camera will open. Take your photo, then tap the checkmark button. You can adjust the photo as needed. When you're satisfied, tap Done to confirm. Your profile photo will now update. If you prefer to choose a photo from your gallery instead, tap the camera icon again and select Gallery. This will open your phone's photo gallery. Browse and select any photo you like. For example, I'm choosing this one. You can then adjust the cropping frame. Once you're happy with the selection, tap Done to set it as your profile picture. You can also create a profile photo using your WhatsApp avatar. Tap the camera icon and select the avatar option. This will take you to the avatar creation page. If you haven't created an avatar yet, we have another video explaining the process. Check the description for the link. It's simple, just take a selfie, and WhatsApp will generate an avatar for you automatically. You can edit your avatar if needed, then save it. After saving, you'll see various avatar poses to choose from. For example, I like this pose, so I'll select it. Next, you can choose a background color. Pick whichever color you prefer. I'm going with this one. Finally, tap the checkmark to save your selection. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to easily set your profile photo in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next tutorial.